so this is Melissa with Mimi's Treasures, and we are just here today. I'm doing a review on my new handbag, the Louis Vuitton Petite Malle. If you don't know who we are an authentication and resale boutique. So we do sell authentic pre-owned Louis Vuitton and Chanel, and we also provide professional authentication services. We're accepted by eBay, PayPal, credit cards for disputes, and then we also do certificates of authenticities for sellers. We also do verbal authentication if you're thinking about buying something off Tradesy, Poshmark, eBay. We can take a look at the pictures and let you know if it's real or not before you purchase it. All right, guys, so let's get on to the review. This is my new bag. Oh, I'm so super excited about this bag. So I have been eyeing this bag for probably 3 years, I would say, about 3 years. And there were two things that were keeping me from buying the bag. First was the size. As you can see, it is small. It's obviously a very small bag. And then, of course, second was the price because it's $5,200 plus tax. So it is a more expensive bag, but it is completely handmade. So like the trunks. So that's, you know, that's really nice. It is a piece of art, basically. So this is the one that I decided to get, and it's just the Monogram Petite Malle, and it has the detachable strap. All right, so here is the bag. It's a hard-sided, basically mini trunk. It has a closure right here. So we will open that. So this does flap open, so once that opens up, now you can't fit much in here, unfortunately. So what I have in here right now is this. I just got this bag Friday, so yesterday. What I have in here right now is just the small Origami Wallet, and this barely fits. So when I go to close it, it doesn't even close all the way. I have to sit it up on the hump in the middle and then try to close it. So even this small wallet, it won't close all the way with this small wallet in it unless I set it up. I set it up on the little hump in the middle, because if it falls in between, then it will not close. So there, I had to do it like that. So now it will close, but my phone will not fit in here with that wallet. So if I try to put my phone in here while I have that wallet in, you'll see that it will not close. So it will close with just my phone, no problem. So probably what I'm gonna have to do is get a smaller card holder. As you can see, this one is kind of poofy and thick. So I will probably have to get like a slip card holder. So probably just, you know, the little bitty one that's thin, so that I can have my phone and my little card holder in here at the same time. All right, so it comes with the detachable strap. So I will show y'all. I will show y'all that. Though this is an adjustable strap. I have it right now on the longest setting because of course I haven't been wearing it crossbody. So you can see there, this is the longest setting. There is a lot of extra room at the end here. There's about that much. So if you were adventurous, you could have a leathersmith do 2 more holes probably. So you could get about that much extra length if you wanted. I'm 5'7". I think it's okay. I mean, it could be like a little bit longer for me, but so I don't know. I might punch an extra hole in there, but I'm not sure yet. But right now I think it's okay. Like I said, I'm 5'7", so you can get an idea there. Let's take a look at it. So here is the bag. Now these are non-functional. That is just for looks. It pops open right there, so you do the clasp. And then like I said, here is the inside. So the inside has the classic crisscross like the trunks. And then it has one little pocket there. I tried to stick a card in there earlier, and then it was like, I don't know, kind of getting stretched out. And so I probably just won't put anything in there because I don't want to stretch the pocket out. Now this is a very soft, like buttery soft interior. So it does get scratched and gouged very easily. Even when I bought this from the store, there was already like a scratch here just from people looking at it, which was fine with me because I'm gonna put my stuff in it, so I wasn't like super crazy about that. Now I did have to walk down to the other store. I went to the main boutique, but the one that they showed me had a huge gouge right here. So it had a big like gouge, actually not even a scratch, it was a gouge. Like there were pieces of the material missing. So I was like, no, I'm not taking that, for $5,200, I'm not gonna take that. So we did walk down to the other one and they did have this one, which was more acceptable to me. So we do have here a leather piece that runs across the back with the rivets. So that's really pretty. Now all of these are the metal or plastic. It's some type of hard material or resin. It feels more like resin probably. Right here on the corners. So those are a shiny black material. They do probably scratch pretty easily. This obviously is not a bag you go like rollerblading or, hiking or anything like that with. So this bag is made for, going out. I don't really go out to many fancy places because I do have 7 children. So I am fine with just wearing this to the mall or wearing it to, wherever. I'm not gonna only reserve it for super special occasions because then I would never use it. It is heavy. It's very solid feeling. It's all hard-sided. So that is really nice. It does have this nice detail up here with the piece of the monogram on top. Then it has the LV right there. I still have my plastic on all of the hardware because I try not to, I don't know, I just try to keep it looking new long. So it has the 2 connectors here so that you can connect the bag. They are on opposite sides so the bag won't hang funny when you're wearing it, so it hangs evenly. Now you can wear it on your shoulder also, so there's a picture of it like that. So like I said, it doesn't hold that much, so it's not a super practical bag, but it's an absolutely beautiful bag. And of course it turns into a clutch too. So there you go. So when you go out in the evening, you can carry it like that. If you go out somewhere nice, you're going to a party, you're going to a gala, you can carry it like this without the strap. And then when you put the strap on it, it turns it a little more, a little more daytime or casual where you could take it shopping or something like that. So there she is. Overall, I'm absolutely in love with her. I was really sad that even this wallet will not fit, but when I bought it, I knew that probably not much was gonna fit in here, so that was okay. So if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe because we are doing reviews of new handbags that come out all the time. We just did the George's MM. We just did a review of the Time Trunk Speedy 25. Did the Essence trunk in the new collection. So make sure you subscribe so you see all of our new bags that we review. And if you are interested in purchasing a Louis Vuitton or a Chanel handbag, we do offer many layaway options and we do take PayPal. So go on over to our website, mimistreasures.com. We'll link it down here for you, or check us out on Facebook. That's the best place to see us, and we can get you a handbag. All right, guys, so I hope y'all have a fabulous day. And if you have been eyeing this little baby and you are wanting her or saving up for her or whatever, I hope you get her soon because she really is a dream come true bag. All right, guys, thank y'all so much. Bye-bye.